Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technology in the Future. So the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra first hands-on video. So this will put the new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra in your hand. The aluminum layout of the new flagship Samsung showed in the first hands-on sampling video. We have already seen renders of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S22 series with the S22 Ultra once presenting an interesting back design and rumors of an S Pen slot. Now X-League 7 and Cover Pick 2 have teamed up to give us our first look at a dummy unit of the Galaxy S22 Ultra in live photos accompanied by a short hands-on video. The overall shape of the device appears quite similar to last year's Galaxy Note 22 Ultra, which further emphasizes recent rumors that it may end up being a Note 22 Ultra instead, based on renders from OnLeaks. S22 Ultra Note 22 Ultra will carry a 6.8-inch dual-curved display. The device features a distinct P-shaped camera bump on the back which should house up to 4 cameras. The new leak also mentioned the S Pen slot rumors are true, though the dummy unit does not have a stylus cutout. Volume and power buttons are located on the right hand side. Last week, we got our first look at the Galaxy S22 Ultra, the most premium phone in Samsung's upcoming flagship lineup. Well, another Twitter industry insider claims to have the whole story, and it allegedly centered around ongoing internal naming discussions at Samsung. Apparently, our name is being considered, one that would transform the model we were expecting to be the Galaxy S22 Plus into the S22 Pro and simultaneously make what we have referred to as the S22 Ultra into the Note 22 Ultra. The source also goes on to explain that apparently this is a fairly new development and one still being considered, which does unfortunately probably mean that Samsung did not entirely and especially arrange the confusion. Enter the latest batch of rumors, which claim that the S22 Ultra will come with an S Pen and even have an internal slot for it, just like a Galaxy Note. Rumors even backed up by supposed renders. That's a bit odd. Then is come reportable leakster only, who knows that the Galaxy S22 Plus renders he had received and shared with the world were actually labeled as S22 Pro, also odd.